Hi folks, how are you all doing today? Today we will be learning on how to create a spiral pattern. Okay, so how to create spirals is our concept or topic for today. So let's see how to do this, and it's a very simple thing using pen extension. We're gonna do this, and it will create a very beautiful pattern towards the end. So I'm very much excited. So let's get quickly started. Okay. So for this, I would definitely start with backdrop. You can get any backdrop. I think I'll just choose something from patterns. So it should be a little plain. So I'm just getting this thing, right? You can get any, no problem at all. I'm just choosing this one. Okay. And we shall be needing a sprite definitely. So I hope I'll just choose a ball for now. And it's all up to you which sprite you want to choose, what you want to choose, anything, no problem. Okay. So I'm going to choose this because it's going to actually show itself on the screen properly. So I'm just starting off with this. And so on backdrop and one sprite is chosen, right? Now we just have to have pen extension. Without pen extension, it's pretty much impossible for us to draw something on the screen, isn't it? So yeah, so we have this, and when green flag is clicked, basically we have to clear it off, clear the screen completely off. So that's why I'm just getting erase all. And when green flag clicked, then we have to erase all, right? Now, this is the first step in our thing. Now what next? We also have to set pen size, right? Pen size is very much important. So I'm just starting it off with 1. Later on, we'll increase the size and we'll see. Okay, so set pen size to 1, right? And then we first have to put our pen up for now because it will change its position and then we'll set it up. Okay. And then we have to go to XY. Basically, we have to just place it in the middle, right? So go to XY 0, 0. So it is in the middle now, right? So when you click on it, it just goes into the middle, right? And then now you can put your pen down because we have set the position. After setting the position, it's pretty much okay for you to just put your pen down to start drawing something. And we also have to set pen color, right? I would say I'm just choosing a bright color for now. I think I will choose a blue color. Cool. So we have chosen a color, right? And then we have to first draw a circle. After drawing a circle, we'll see what next we have to do because this is a circular thing because spirals itself means circles, right? So circle. To draw a circle, I would just go to control. I would take this repeat block. See, there's some specific logic if you want to use this. I will quickly show you what is the logic behind this loop, whatever I'm gonna write now. Okay. So basically, circle will have 360-degree angle. We all know this, right? Okay. So 360, it just means that now we have to get 360-degree angle, then it will definitely form a circle, right? Isn't it? Now, how many times you have to repeat something to get 360? You should know that, right? So now let's say if you're moving some number of pixels and then you're turning by some number of degrees, okay? Now this degrees actually has to match with 360, then only you're getting a circle drawn, right? So you'll get to see the circle. Now, let's suppose I'm just taking turn right by 1 degree. That means what shall be the loop now? To get 360, I have to multiply the loop by 360 only. So 360 multiplied by 1 shall give me 360, right? Let's say I'm turning right by 2 degrees now. Okay. That just means that 180 times I have to loop it, because 180 multiplied by 2 would give me 360, isn't it? So likewise, if you're using 3, you just divide it with 3 and check what is the number. And based on that number, you're going to repeat the loop by those many times. Let's say it's 120, right? 360 divided by 3 is 120. So if you repeat 120 times, then also it would create a circle because it sums up to 360 degrees, right? Now, now quickly, let's just change this to 360. I'm repeating the loop 360 times, right? Let's move some number of steps first. Move 10 steps and turn right by 1 degree. Let's see what it does first, right? Later on, we'll get a chance to change this. Maybe we'll see what exactly is happening and then we'll try to do something, isn't it? So, okay. So this is actually not doing the thing, whatever we were thinking of, right? That means move 10 steps is very much high for this to accept turn right by 1 degrees. It's moving 10 steps and then taking turn right. Yeah. So that's why we will write 2 degrees and check now. Okay. So let's see. It's actually trying to, but still, it's not able to draw a circle with this, right? So let's try with 3 degrees. Let's stop it and run it again. So 3 degrees, not really doing the task properly, right? It's drawing a circle ultimately, but this is not the thing we wanted actually, right? So let's see. Okay, this is not doing the task, right? Turn right by 5 degrees. Oh, we're repeating 360 times. However, that should not be done, but still it should be able to draw a circle now, right? Cool, isn't it? And when you're turning right by 5 degrees, there's no need of you to repeat it 360 times because it is waste of time, isn't it? So 360 divided by 5 you do, whatever is the value you're getting, you can just do those many times, right? So let's repeat it 72 times. Okay. Now let's execute. That's it, right? See, it is only drawing the thing once and it stops there. Okay. So 72 times is enough. We got to understand it is actually drawing a circle pretty well. I'm going to let it be now, right? Now, such kind of circles, we have to draw multiple of them, okay? So, when you have to draw multiple of them, definitely you have to, let's say, let's just change the pen color, okay, by some number of shades, let's suppose. So change pen color by 10. This thing is just for you to see the difference that different circles are being formed, okay? And then we can turn right by how many ever number of degrees you want to, you can turn right by those many degrees, right? So we'll again just follow the trial and error method, so that would actually give you the good result. So I'm starting it off with turn right by 15 because it is already given, right? So let's not struggle ourselves much and we'll do this. Now we have to repeat the process forever, okay? Because uh, if you want, you can repeat it for some number of times and you can stop it, but again, it would stop in the meanwhile, right? So or first let's just let me just show you with repeat itself so that you get a good understanding of it. Um, no, I think I just, yeah, let's place it above this like this, right? So I'm just repeating it 10 times for now so that you can see what exactly is happening, right? So I'm just going to start it off and it's drawing a circle. It draws another circle, draws another circle. So this process will be repeated 10 times now. Okay, cool. So, but we actually did not complete the entire thing yet, right? So, and you can also see that 15 degrees is actually not making a perfect circular thing which we wanted, right? So, then I would definitely not suggest you to do this thing, yeah, because 15 degrees is not working fine. Then how many degrees we have to do it? So, you have to again think of it in like a 360-degree angle only, right? If you're repeating it 10 times, 10 multiplied by 15 would give us somewhere around 150, right? It's not matching. So that's the reason this is happening. Okay. So, however, now repeat is not our actual concern. If you want to make it up, then you can actually do so 360. To match with 360 you have to do something now, right? So 360 divided by 15, let's do it and see what is the number, and we'll repeat it those many number of times, right? So 360 divided by 15 would give us 24. Okay, so I'm just repeating it 24 times. Let's do it again and check what happens. And I just feel like our circle is very big for this thing because it's not actually showing the entire thing, right? So it's just going outside the screen. So pattern is not properly visible. So we'll adjust it, no problem. And that's definitely possible, right? And you can see it's forming the spirals. Can you see that? So this is that's why we have named it as spirals. And it's gonna cover this entire thing now. So till here it's gonna come. Okay. So it is actually drawing the spirals, but still I'm not that satisfied with this pattern because it's not the actual thing we were expecting, right? So it's not that properly doing the task. Okay. So now what can be done then? First thing, we don't want to use the repeat loop here. We want this process to be forever. Okay. So forever, right? And turn right by how many number of degrees this time, right? So we'll check it with 20 degrees now and see what happens with this, right? And then if that doesn't work out, we can always change. And I would also decrease the number of steps to 8 and check what happens. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, a smaller circle is the actual thing which I wanted. So because it has to show the pattern completely and only then it looks satisfying. If not, that's again a waste of time, isn't it? Now let's see. I think it's actually going in a good path now. Let's check because all the circles are meeting at the center and it is quite doing the thing like we wanted it to do because all the circles has to meet up in the same point and only then there is some point in doing this pattern, isn't it? Cool. Yeah, it's now repeating the process. Can you see? It's repeating the circles thing. Okay, cool. So whatever we were thinking of is actually achieved now. Okay. I would say I would just like to decrease this size a little bit, right? Like 7 steps. Okay. Maybe we'll try. There's a small like difference here. I would say 19. Let's see if that works out for us. Let's just go here and let's see. Okay. So yeah, to see this, it's so Good, right? It's so satisfying to see this drawing so many circles, round and round, round and round, round and round, and this looks cool. And the background we have chosen is actually cool because you can see there's some inner white circle, and on that we are drawing something. It looks like we're just putting something on the white circle, right? And now it started repeating the thing. Now I hope you can see this here, right? So cool. It's becoming a cool pattern now, right? And this repeats itself again and again, again and again right now because this process is done forever now, right? So if this is doing forever, so it is automatically gonna continue this again and again, again and again, and this is gonna create this kind of a cool spiral pattern, right? It looks so cool and so good, right? I really like this, and it's absolutely doing the work, and whatever we were thinking of and whatever is in the mind, so it is actually replicating the task well, and I'm pretty happy with the outcome, and yeah, I hope the same with you guys too. So this will actually draw things, and it will be something like this now. Okay, so yeah, this is all about our today's session, guys. I hope you enjoyed the session, and this was very informative for you guys, wherein you understood how to draw a spiral pattern or in Scratch again using some pretty good logic. Which actually does this thing, right? So if you have any questions or concerns, you can do let me know in the comment section below, and you can also try different angles, and you can see what happens with the pattern, how is it affecting the pattern, and what kind of pattern is being created with a small change in the values. Yeah, you can explore more, and you can do let me know about it, and I will be waiting for comments, like your links. If you can, you can share your links with me, and that would actually make the entire process more interesting for us, because many people can look at your projects and your creativity, right? So I definitely encourage sharing your project links with me, and I'm going to share this link with you guys so that you can have a look at it if you want it, right? So this is about it, and I hope you enjoyed this session. I did it because I really like creating patterns, and this colorful pattern is absolutely cool, right? So, yes, this is all for today, guys. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub. I'll be meeting you all in the next session, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, and have a great day, all.